Hello guys, thank you for subscribing to this channel. I know I haven't been consistent because of my school activities and some of the daunting projects that I currently have on my hands. But to make up for this, in 2026, we are going to focus more on solving technical problems. So today, I will show you how to use OBS Studio to record your screen alongside your headshot or face. So let's dig in. For us to get started in this tutorial, you need to visit this link, obsproject.com, which is the official OBS website, to download OBS and install it on your device. Currently, I am using Windows 11 device and it is currently selected by default. So if you are on Windows 11 device, you can use any of these options to install it on your system. The best option is to use download installer. And if you are on a Mac device, click on this Apple icon right here on their site to download the installer, which is actually the best way to install OBS Studio on a Mac device. And we also have the Linux setup. You can download it on FlatHub, as you can see here. Whatever instruction you want to follow, you can actually have OBS install without hassle. When I click download installer, I will be able to download OBS Studio, but I already have it installed on my computer, so I won't be doing that. As you can see here, OBS is an open broadcaster software, which is an open source software, cross-platform software that can work on any device. So when you install OBS Studio, you don't need a premium software to record your screen alongside your headshot. Like I said earlier, I want to show you how you can record your screen alongside your headshot. Upon installing your OBS Studio software, launch it. When it's open, you are going to be welcomed with this environment, as you can see on my screen. You need to locate the sources panel or sources box. As you can see, this is the sources panel. I'm moving the mouse over it, and I already have two items on it, headshot 1 and background 1. Headshot 1 is the overlay of the camera that I am currently using to make this video, and the background, which allows OBS to capture the activities of my monitor. So now click on the add source, which is this plus button at the bottom. The first item we are going to add here is the display capture, and we are going to name it background 2. For the display, we are going to select primary monitor. I only have one display here, so I'm going to select this primary monitor as my display and click on OK. Now we also need to create or add an overlay for the headshot. Meanwhile, I want you to take note that OBS works in layer from top to bottom. So whatever is on top is what will show on your screen. As you can see, we've added background, the first display capture that we added. This is it right here, and it is on top of the previous item that we have. And as you can see, it is not syncing with the current screen size of my computer, so I'm going to select it by taking my mouse pointer to the edge and drag it down, and then it will click. It is sitting correctly on the screen of my computer. So we are now going to go ahead and add the video capture device for the headshot overlay. I'm going to call this one headshot 2. Click on OK. Now this is me on my camera, and you can see device. Should in case you have any external camera connected to your computer, you'll be able to see all of the cameras here, and you'll be able to select that particular camera for your headshot. So I have just this internal camera, HP HD camera, so I'm going to leave that selected and click OK. Now you can see that the camera frame, which is the headshot frame, is now on top of my background. Here we can move this frame around. We can move it around. And for us to resize this frame, we need to move the mouse pointer towards the edge of the frame, and then left click and drag it down. Are you seeing that? If you want to particularly show your face or reduce the background to focus more on your face, and then you can, if you want to adjust from the top, from the bottom, from the left, from the right, you can do just that. Move your mouse to mouse cursor to the, let's start from the right. You can reduce that. Let's do for the top while holding down the Alt key on Windows. While on a Mac, you need to hold down the Option key. So this is it. The headshot is focused more on my face and not on the background. So that is how you can work with OBS Studio to record your screen alongside your headshot or your face. I hope you find this video useful. See you in the next one.